Hi, I'm Yogaragavi. I'm from Hosur, Tamil Nadu, and I completed my BE Computer Science Engineering in RVS Technical Campus in the year of 2024. And I joined the QSPIDERS in the month of July 2024. And here all the faculties were very kind and very good, and all the teachings were very helpful to me, and mainly mock interviews and assignments are very helpful to clear my interviews, and mainly presentation, so that helps me to improve my communication skills. And engineer with 3 LPA, and I would suggest all my friends to come to QSPIDERS to get placed with the software company for the testing role, and do presentations properly so that you can improve the communication skills, because in the interview mainly they are checking the communication skills. So the one thing you have to do is you have to attend the class regularly so that you can have some grip in the concepts and you can clear the interviews. And thank you so much for the QSPIDERS Basavanagudi.